y'all, it's NowIamNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Now this week we are going to be talking about all the benefits of using raw honey in our hair regimen and especially in our Ayurvedic hair regimen. Now, I've been doing a lot of hair consultations with you guys and a lot of you guys have complained about the herbs being too strengthening for your hair or you not being able to find enough moisture in these treatments. So I wanted to create this recipe for you guys to help infuse some moisture into your Ayurvedic hair treatments. Now I thought it was really interesting because one of my clients, she just told me that even by using an Ayurvedic gloss, she still finds her hair to be more strengthened than moisturized, even if she's using some of the herbs that I've mentioned before that were conditioning. So girl, this is for you and for everyone else who is struggling to get moisture into your hair while using herbs. And it combines the power of honey because honey is an emollient and a humectant. So that means it helps to soften, condition the hair, and then draw moisture from the environment into your hair. So you should definitely have some moisturized and conditioned hair after using this recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. Now y'all, I'm gonna make a large batch, so you feel free to divide this in half, freeze whatever you need, defrost it whenever you like to use it in your regimen. All right, so let's go ahead and get to mixing. So we'll begin with a water bath and we'll use 3 tablespoons of raw honey. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of glycerin, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of our castor and fenugreek seed oil that we made in our previous video that I'll link up top, and then finally 1 tablespoon of our babassu oil. Okay, so now let's move on to our herbs. We'll be starting with 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder, but you can use any of the herbs that you have at home. Next, I'll be using 1 tablespoon of amla powder. And y'all, because I'm always worried about my scalp itching, go in with 1 tablespoon of neem powder. Now go ahead and mix until the mixture emulsifies together to become nice and uniform. Then we're gonna go in with my new Oat Aloe deep conditioner. Y'all, I am selling this on my website right now. Get your pre-orders in. And I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of my deep conditioner. Now stir it until it becomes creamy and let it sit for about 10 minutes and then turn off the water. Okay, so I just gently shampooed my hair, y'all. And I just want to let you know, I do have another honey video on my channel, but it is a little bit old. And this is when I had first started YouTube, so it's a little dated. So this is like my revamped new recipe. Of course, with added herbs and added goodies like my new deep conditioner that has just dropped. I have shampooed my hair with a shampoo bar, just kind of needing a bit of moisture. As you guys saw last week, I did my henna treatment. So I'm due to add in some moisture and I'm applying this while it's still warm. So it feels really good going on my hair. Plus, looking at that video from last year to this year, I can really see how much my hair has grown in that time. And I'm also still being lazy by not using a squeeze bottle to apply this to my hair. All right, I'm gonna tell y'all some more of the benefits of using honey in your regimen. Y'all, can I just say that this feels absolutely amazing going on my hair, and I can easily finger detangle my hair with this mixture. It's the honey, it's probably my deep conditioner, just slip, and moisture and hydration, y'all. So let's get into these benefits, all right? So let me tell you a few more benefits about using honey in your hair regimen. Now, honey contains antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties. Now, this allows us to heal or soothe scalp infections like dandruff, eczema, and psoriasis, clearing the hair for better hair growth. Honey can also gently cleanse the hair, removing dirt and oils, and unclogging your hair follicles for faster hair growth. And another really great benefit of honey is that it has a low pH between 3.2 and 4.5, so it's really great for helping to lay and seal that hair cuticle, along with condition and smooth the hair shaft. Now let me tell you a little bit about both amla and neem powder. Since I always talk about the wonderful benefits of fenugreek, let's focus on these other two herbs. Now, amla powder is rich in vitamin C, and it contains great antioxidant properties that help to enrich the blood vessels and nourish the scalp with key nutrients such as iron and collagen, which are essential to hair growth. Now, amla is great for preventing hair loss as well as premature graying. Now, one of the great benefits of amla is that it also was shown in a study to help stimulate hair growth. It's said to act as a 5-alpha reductase inhibitor, which helps to treat male pattern baldness. Now, y'all, neem is so good. It's one of the strongest herbs that has great antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, basically everything, y'all. This can be used as an all-natural insect repellent. It can kill lice. It can treat dandruff, eczema, dermatitis. This is just an awesome herb to add to your scalp, especially if you've been having an itchy scalp, as well as it's great for helping to stimulate hair growth and prevent hair fall. So yeah, you guys, this herb combination is wonderful with the honey. If you have other herbs, please use them, especially some of the conditioning herbs, as I mentioned in the above video. So I'll just be wrapping my hair up in a plastic bag and then tying a scarf around it, as y'all, I have a ton of errands to run today. So I'm gonna let this steam while I'm out. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished rinsing out the mask, and it was about 2 hours ago, and y'all, my hair feels so good. I want to show you guys how moisturized it looks, and it feels like it's very soft and bouncy. Oh, good moisture, good protein balance in my hair. My little curls are kind of being defined right now. I like to equate that to having proper moisture, okay? Okay, you guys, so I recommend that you try out this recipe or just find a way to include honey in your hair regimen, whether using it in a gloss or adding it to a mask to impart more moisture to your hair. Let me know down below if you try this recipe and how your hair responds. I really want to hear about your results, you guys, because my hair is loving these treatments, but I want to know what's going on with you. Now, since you guys have stayed to the end of this video, now a lot of you guys know I have started my own hairline, and I've just released my first Oat and Aloe deep conditioner. It's a little bit different from the one I showed you guys on YouTube. It has a lot more nutritious, delicious ingredients in it. So today I'll be giving away one of my deep conditioners. So how you can enter to win this is leave deep conditioner in the comment section with your comment or whatever you like, but just add deep conditioner in it. And then next Tuesday, I will choose a winner and I will email you and you'll give me your contact information so I can ship you my deep conditioner, okay? So if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who's starting the Ayurvedic hair regimen and their hair is a bit dry, they're looking to add some moisture to their regimen. And don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Subscribe so you don't miss any of this wonderful content that I'm sharing with you guys. And that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.